What's up, online shoppers? I just got my brand new set of LifePro adjustable dumbbells in the mail, and I am so excited. In my workout space, I don't have a ton of room, so I love the idea of something that's going to take up very little space but be super useful. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. They give you a huge dumbbell workout poster, and it's actually double-sided. There's this one, and then there's this one. So you can just flip it around and put it to use. That's really cool. This is a set of 2, and each one of them weighs 25 pounds. Also get a user manual and a lifetime warranty. These are definitely well packaged. So here we have the LifePro adjustable dumbbell set. You get 2 of them in the set, and they are adjustable from 5 pounds all the way up to 25 pounds on each hand. So you have a total of 50 pounds of weight here. Now I love this because it is a super space-saving design. I do have some dumbbells in my weight room, but I find that they take up a lot of space because I have to have one for each individual weight, and I have to have a stand, and that takes up a lot of floor spaces, especially if you live in a small apartment or small house and don't have a lot of space to dedicate to a workout area. These are definitely a solution to space issues because you've got 50 pounds of weight here and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now let's talk about how they are constructed. So right here along the top you have little gear for shifting how much they weigh, and it's really easy to shift it. It's just a little pull and a slide. So on the first setting, I get 5 pounds, and you can see that this is the mechanism itself. It's got a really nice stainless steel diamond grip handle here. Really nice space. My hands aren't overly large, but I know that this is not going to be a problem for my fellas who are going to use this, who have significantly bigger hands. I love the look of it. It's got a really nice plastic housing, shiny stainless steel caps at the end. Really, really well constructed, not chintzy at all. When I want to adjust the weights, I just drop this back into the housing, move the switch like that, and now I have 10 pounds of weight. Each one of these is 2.5 pounds, and you can see how they're constructed. They are a steel weight with a plastic housing over top, and they have a nice little groove so that they fit into each other and into the stand really nicely. Moving between weights is really, really smooth. All you have to do is drop it back into the stand, move the weight, click, and then now we're up to 15 pounds. So with that speed and ease of switching, you can move between exercises at home really easy too. Now I have some dumbbells in my workout area, but what I do know is that whenever I wanted to move up a weight, I had to go buy a new dumbbell, and that can be very expensive because if you have to buy a 5, a 10, a 15, a 20, and a 25, you are going to be out a significant amount of money. Now this double set here gives you 50 pounds of weight at one cost, and it definitely is by far the greater value. My overall impression with this is it's awesome. I can quickly switch between weights with this really cool handle and sliding adjusting bar for adding or taking off weight. I think it's going to be seamless in my transition between exercises. I think that the rack here is pretty awesome too. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's just a nice little tray here like this, and all the weight plates fit in here. Easy to clean, easy to store, and you don't have to worry about supporting a lot of weight because it literally is supported on the floor. The rack just supports the weights themselves and has them stand up straight. I think that this is a really great solution for small spaces because you get a lot of exercise equipment in one small compact set of dumbbells, and I do think that this is a really nice versatile utilitarian set of weights from a home gym. The adjustability factor is super favorable because you can get a lot for a little. It gives me the ability to do a wide range of exercises, and it's going to complement just about any weight-bearing fitness routine that you could have at home. I really think this is going to be a great addition to my workout area and to my fitness routine. I'm super impressed with these LifePro. Not only do you get these really great adjustable, smartly designed weights, but you also get a nice little manual, and you also get this other really awesome dumbbell training body workout poster, 2-sided, with all kinds of options for exercises that you can do. This is amazing. Super impressed with it. Pretty confident this is going to be a family favorite at my house.